In this video, I will show you everything you need to know about the Inline editor. First of all, the Inline editor allows you to edit text instantly via the front-end editor without even opening the Element Edit window. It is fast, it is easy, it is awesome. You can edit paragraphs and titles with the Inline editor. To access the editor, you simply have to click on the paragraph you want to edit while in the front-end editor. And now you can add or remove text as well as apply bold, italic or underline effects to the text you've selected. To exit the Inline editor, just click anywhere outside of the text block. If you want to edit a title with the Inline editor, you can also do that by clicking on the text. It's that quick and simple. Change any text in the matter of seconds.